I am Ritika from the ADB. I would like to explain the experience today we had with Amrutt Bhatt. It was one of the most transformational experience that one can ever experience. He really gets you on board. That is the very rare quality. One can see he's got a lot of passion for doing it, and he makes sure that it becomes a doable vision for you as well.
This was an eye-opener for all the sales colleagues who attended this program. It took us from almost like a complete process of unlearning and relearning.
It was fantastic. It definitely served the purpose. More than expectations he has delivered, I would say.
Usually the word workshop makes us feel like it could be something that could put us to sleep. But this was really fun and very interactive, and not one moment did we feel like sleeping. So all in all, it was a fabulous experience. Hopefully we get to do more workshops with him.
That was a really informative session, which is actually going to help us a lot.
It is not just for this particular organization, it would help us grow in life in general.
As a salesperson, if you can't tell a story to your target audience as per their expectations or their values, you will not connect with them. There are two kinds of storytelling techniques that I'm going to teach you today. Emphasizing on things that are important is also a crucial part of voice modulation. Just basic modulation will change the way you connect with people. But this warm-up is something that you can utilize every time before you go in front of an audience. People will always bet on someone who presents a holistic package. It is important that you be a little better. You know how much? 1%. When it comes to educating, you're locked, you're serious, you're off the pressure. Instead of performing, present. Express the ideas that you have. It starts with eye contact. That's where the conversation is happening, because that's how you access their head. So once you adapt from running away from challenges, taking challenges, you'll automatically see opportunities opening for you.